This is how you can claim your Notcoin card if you did Notcoin before. There is a link in the group, so I will look for the link. This is sorry, this is the link to the Notcoin card claiming. For those of us that bought Notcoin cards that time, all those cards we were buying in a Notcoin, we use our Notcoin to buy them. Now is the time for the trading of the card, but the trading has not started, but the claiming of the cards has started. You can see this one. This person has 3 cards, and these 3 cards can be traded. You see it? So I'm coming now. Here is the link. Once you tap on this link, they will take you to your Telegram. Make sure you are using your Telegram account. Make sure you are using your Telegram account that you use to mine Notcoin. Then I tap on my Telegram and I open. Just hold on now. It will open like this. If you have not claimed before, they will show you 2 cards crossed together. Then at the bottom, they will say claim to your profile. You just need to tap on that claim to your profile and everything will claim. Now, once you have claimed it, you just have to go back again and tap on the link. I will post the link alongside with the video, and tap on the link, go back to that same account. Then they will show you like this. You can see the way my account, my own is showing. Now, this under inventory, you will see Notcoin, then one item like this, one item like this. Now it means that I have only 1 card from this account, but some people own is showing 5, some 10, depending on the amount of skins that you bought then during the time of Notcoin. Now if you want to see your card after claiming, then tap on this Notcoin. Now here is the card. Now if you want to sell this card now to a user, because it can be transferred from one user to another before the trading will start, you can simply tap on the card. When you tap on the card, you can see it. The trade has not started. Once the trade starts, this place will be white, will be highlighted as this other ones is showing. Now this is the trade. The trade has not started, and this is the card formation. You can see it. So now if you want to send it to a Telegram user, you just simply need to click on send. Now you enter the Telegram username. I'm going to send this card from this my account to my other Telegram account. Let's see if it's actually working. Now I will enter that Telegram username. Watch. Okay, not in app yet. Okay, so I don't know. Invite. This I should invite. Who do they say I should invite? Oh, ma go copy that Telegram username. I dey come. Oh, maybe I did not mine Notcoin. Yes, it's true. I did not mine Notcoin using the account I wanted to send it to. Yeah, so the person you want to send it to must be a user that mined Notcoin. So you can just simply enter the name of the user there. You can just simply enter the name of the user there and click on transfer. This transfer will show up and you click on it. The reason why they are saying not in app yet means that my account I wanted to transfer this card into did not mine Notcoin. Yeah, so who wants to buy it must be the person that mined Notcoin. And you can see Notcoin has 30, well, how many people? Let's check it out. Sorry, game. You can see Notcoin here, 34.7 million players. So you can see a lot of people actually mined Notcoin. We actually tap then using Notcoin. So this one, there is going to be a lot of buyers in this one. There is going to be a lot of buyer. Collectible cards. You can see this. You can see this. These are some of their cards. Fallout. Some people has this card. Some has this card. So out of all the skin we bought then, it's only 11 cards that is going to give you. So depends on the one you have. Like me, you can see they highlighted this, so it means I have only one here. So if you have all, or you have up to 5, they will highlight it for you depending on the one you have. Okay, that's it.